Hello everybody, my order has arrived and I want to open it to see what we have got in this box. Okay, this is my unboxing video. My name is Bayola, as you can remember me on my YouTube videos. Please subscribe to me on YouTube if you're watching this video on another channel. And what we have got? We have got USB cables. And actually these are for data and charge knob. Okay, what's that thing? Black USB to micro 5-pinned 45 centimeter cable. Okay, and the cable looks like this. Okay, this is for my mobile phone to use quick adapter to charge up. Okay, this is a micro USB pin, male pin. This is micro USB, sorry, USB version 2. Okay, and what's that thing? Also, this is USB cable for 4G, 5G, 5S, 6G, micro 5P. What? Okay, 4G, 5G, 6G, 7G, something like that. Okay, and okay, after this etiquette, ouch, I remove it. Material of this is okay. I think you understand. This means that maximum current is 2 ampere, and rated voltage is maximum 15 volts. Okay, I use this in 5 volts, so I have to open this. So how can I open it? Okay, just open this package. And by the way, you can send me some stuffs. I will share my post box address on the description to this video below. Please check it out. Oh yeah. This one seems like to be wristlet. I mean wristwatch. Not a wristwatch actually. It's just a wrist accessory. Okay, this is a typical USB cable, but it's not so typical, it's extraordinary. As you can see, the pin is classic micro USB seamed, but another side, I mean at the end of the cable, you may see the attach place to attach. And by the way, let me tell you, this part is flexible and this part is solid plastic, so you can put it inside, then take it. Oh my god, it's a little bit tough. So this is what it should be. Okay, just use your hands. Then, oh, I think it might be a little bit tiny for my wrists. Okay, I can close it. Let me try it. Okay. So wherever you go, you can carry your micro USB cable. For example, if you travel by bus, you may charge up your mobile phone while you are traveling in the bus, because in Istanbul, I know, we have got phone chargers. So as you can see, this is my new accessory. It seems like to be an accessory, and there are so many colorful options available in the market. I may show you this link, but I think I bought this in Turkey, so I think you may find it in Amazon. Who knows? maybe okay, I will search it. If I find it, I will share it to you as a link. Okay, it's very cool, I think. So you may attach this part to directly to computer and charge up, and also data send and bidirectional sending to your mobile phone between your computer. And also this part is movable like this. Okay, I think these are much more good stuffs for the very beginning of my video. And I think these USB cables are gonna solve my charging problems and also data sending problems. Both cables are for data transmitting and transferring, and also charging up my mobile phone and maybe tablets. If you have Samsung tablet, you may use it. By the way, any kind of Android devices that you can use. So thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourself and see you on the next video.